Thank you, Honorable Chairman, sir, for giving me the opportunity to speak in 0 hour. I'd like to raise the most important issue of creation of new railway zone for the state of Andhra Pradesh under the name of South Coast Railway Zone. The zone has been announced on February 27, 2019, and it has already been 2 years and nothing has been functional yet. And no budget also has been allocated, sir. In the previous budget, 170 crores was given for the creation of a new railway zone and also Raigada division. The Raigada division is happening at a speedy pace, but nothing has been done under the creation of new South Coast Railway Zone, sir. Even the ministry has recently replied that it's still working out the modalities, it is still holding all discussions, but it has already been 7 years since the preparation of AP Reorganization Act, which has led to the creation of zone, but nothing has been done, sir. We demand the central government that, sir, I have 3 more points. We demand that the zone should be operational. And whenever a new zone has been created, it has always been a principle that it is attached to a railway recruitment board. All zones have it, sir. But for us, nothing has been announced of that sort. So we want an RRB associated with South Coast Railway Zone. And third point is the closing of Voltaire division, sir. It is a division which is the most profitable in the country, and also it has a history of 127 years. Without any logical reason, the central government wants to close down the Voltaire division. We are opposing it, sir, and it is not a good decision, so we want it to be revived. And the fourth and final point, the new zone is being created to cater for the state of Andhra Pradesh. And in this request, I request that 7 stations under Khurda Road, which come under East Coast, to be added to the South Coaster. These 7 stations are Palasa, Mandasa, Sunna Devi, Barua, Sompeta, Jadpudi and Ichapuram. I request these 7 stations be picked up from Khurda Road, be added to South Coast Railway Zone, and the zone also should become operational as soon as possible, and that is my demand from the central government.
Any
Thank
more
you.
point?
Thank you, sir.